To allow reminders on do not disturb mode in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. Select notifications, app notifications, status bar do not disturb. Tap do not disturb. And then select allow exceptions. To allow reminders when do not disturb mode is on, tap switch until blue, or to disallow, tap switch until white. When you allow reminders when do not disturb mode is on, you can still get reminders notifications. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.